Hello everyone, welcome back to our epic journey around the world to study sustainable forestry. Today, touchdown Malaysia. We land in the city of KK and we drive deep up into the rainforest, but as we're driving along, we come across a huge oil palm forest. And Bob stops and wants to do a little bit of a commentary and get us up to speed on what's really going on, because a lot of the rainforest has been cut down in Malaysia and Indonesia specifically to plant these trees because they're so profitable.
Hey, Bob Taylor here. I'm in Malaysia now. We're continuing our World Forestry Tour. Remember 5, 6, 7 years ago, all of the information about trans fats in your food, and you've noticed that it doesn't exist in your food supply anymore. This is the reason why. Palm oil has replaced hydrogenated vegetable oils. But the downside of that is it's taking over what used to be forested land. So you're looking at a palm oil plantation behind us. It's pretty amazing. This Indonesia, Malaysia area, it's almost as though God made the climate here to grow this stuff. The yield is super high, and we'll talk about that more as we go. It's just unbelievable how much there is. The country's being taken over by palm oil.
Coming up in our next episode, we're going to travel deep up into the rainforest and we're going to work with an organization called Forest Solutions. They're doing a fantastic work reestablishing forests in areas that have been clear-cut. This episode is going to blow you away when you see the scope of what they're doing, because they're planting over 7 million trees alone in Malaysia every year, and they planted over 150 million trees worldwide. It is fantastic what they're doing to create a sustainable model for forestry.